Easy English Life. What is this? Demonstrative pronouns. What is this? It's a computer. What is this? This is my bike. What is this? It's a table. What is this? This is a family. What is that? That's a pizza. What is that? That's a pineapple. What is that? That is a house. What is that? That's a glass of water. What is that? That's the Eiffel Tower. What is that? That's an ice cream. What is that? It's a ruler. What are these? These are cars. What are these? These are children. What are these? These are houses. What are these? These are puppies. What are these? These are sandwiches. What are these? These are chairs. What colors are they? What are these? These are tables. What are those? What are those? Those are cats. What are those? Those are computers. Singular. This is an apple. That is an apple. Plural. These are apples. Those are apples. Irregular plurals. Some nouns have different plurals. Singular, child. Plural, children. Man, men. Tooth, teeth. Singular, foot. Plural, feet. Woman, woman. Mouse, mice. Regular plurals. Singular, bird. Plural, birds. Broom, brooms. Camel, camels. Desk, desks. Doll, dolls. Egg, eggs. Flower, flowers. Fork, forks. Game, games. Lamb, lambs. Nest, nests. Pen, pens. Photo, photos. Shirt, shirts. This, that, these, those. Hello, this is David. Is that Sarah? Yes, I am. How are you? I'm sorry, I forgot to phone you. That's all right. That was a really nice meal. Thank you. By the way, Martin has got a new job. Has he? I didn't know that. To demonstrate proximity. Demonstra proximidade. Singular, this. Pronomes, este, esta, isto. Plural, these, estes, estas. To demonstrate distance, demonstra distância. Singular, that. Esse, essa, isso, aquele, aquela, aquilo. Plural, those. Esses, essas, aqueles, aquelas. Is this a chair? No, it isn't. It's a table. Is that an ice cream? Yes, it is. Are these chairs? No, these aren't. These are houses. Are those computers? Yes, those are.